In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix you will need to sign up error on Microsoft Power Apps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are receiving this error and you know that you had an account, you're told that mostly you can access Power Apps using Microsoft account after you have at least one license. However, you may sign up for a free license and this should work for you, but in case it is impossible, then check and then see if you are using email or an account that was already registered with Microsoft Power Apps. In most cases, you might be using a new email or contact details that were not registered. If you have counter checked and everything seems to be okay, but you can't still sign in, you are being told to sign up, then you need to check your computer and make sure that you are not using VPN, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. If you don't have any VPN turned on, then try and troubleshoot your browser, and you can do so by just going to these three lines on top here and go to settings. So for this case, I'm on Google Chrome. Then go to privacy and security, enter on the side menu here, and then go to delete browsing data. Here, choose the duration you want to delete. You can delete depending on the length of time, and this will delete browsing history, cookies, and other site data, cached images, as well as download history. So make sure they are all checked before you confirm by clicking on delete, and as you can see, that has deleted the browsing history. Now restart your computer, and now if you go to your Power Apps, make sure you log in or sign in with your correct details. Now everything should be up and running without any issue. But at this point, should you still have a challenge, then try using a different browser such as Microsoft Edge or Firefox to see if this fixes your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.